Hey guys, this is Fundom on Nchupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, the township struggled to come to terms with the death of its landlord. Everyone is shocked and surprised about the Konzi death, but they wait for a confirmation on the police and on Kapsile that is really Konzi dead. Mbata goes on a hunting for his Mama Mfundisi. He wants Mama Mfundisi who has money and have and smart. While Nonka and Hleziphi takes hot seat as they fight for their life. Kwanda tells Hleziphi that when his boss got Hleziphi and him, he will kill them. While Nonka got a new life on jail after Wanda betrayed her about selling drugs on the harbor. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.